Okay, so here what I did is I soldered different parts where I wasn't sure if my circuit was secure. So for example, the corner. And then sometimes when I had, for example here, when I had to connect two different tape together, or here. So I soldered everything to make sure that the circuit will not flicker and it's secure. So here I just added my LEDs, my LED stickers, so quite a few. Okay, and now that I have everything ready, I just have to connect my circuits to my USB cable, and then my USB cable to my laptop. Wow! It's beautiful. It's really beautiful, and there is only one LED which needs to be, yeah. Maybe we could check and make sure it doesn't flicker anymore. It's really nice. I'm so proud of me. Woohoo! And then the last step would be to add any inspiring quotes. For example, the one that I have put in the lesson plan. Or it can be personalized, or it can be photos, it can be any other cool stuff. After this, we can even add some more crafty things around, or we could have different layers. I mean, there are so many possibilities for creativity here, but I really like this one because that can be an inspiring wall, like mural for the staff room. It's really beautiful. It doesn't look as nice on the video, but it really is amazing. So I hope you'll like this lesson plan, and I'm looking forward to hearing back from people who could use it in their school. Bye!